He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
No! No!
So freaking. Excuse me! No! No!
Bad dog.
You want my food? Okay, fine. You know what? Here. Yeah. No! Oh my god! Bitch! Seriously?
What are you doing? I got me a motherfucking fork. You bitch!